Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix microphone is not working during calls in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're using S22 Ultra and you're facing the issue that in calls your microphone isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to check for obstructions like in your phone's microphone area. You might have to make sure that there's no any dust or dirt on there. Or you can also try to clean your microphone's area from bottom of your phone. And once you've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to test your microphone with other apps, like you can go ahead to your voice recorder or sound recorder here. Let's see, I'm gonna search for recorder here. Open recorder app, click on this microphone icon. It will start recording. You just have to make sure that your microphone is recording as well, or you might also see this type here to see if your microphone is working or not. So once you have done, you have recorded a sound or a clip, you can try to stop that from here, and then you can try to play this to check if your microphone is working or not. If you're facing the issue that your microphone isn't working in other apps, so you can try to go ahead to your settings app here. Just go to settings. The very first thing you can try to go to software update section. Go to software update and make sure that your software is up to date. You might haven't any pending software update for this, or you have to also keep in mind that your phone is not downloading or is not installing any update, because sometimes it might be that if your phone is installing any update, you might usually see these type of glitches. So you try to don't need to worry. Just wait for the installation and then restart your phone, and after that your issue might have been fixed. But if your phone is up to date but you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to go to security and privacy here and just go to permissions, go to microphone. Here you might see all the apps recently used your permission. You can try to go to three dots and click on manage apps with this permission. And from here you have to make sure that you have allowed your microphone to all apps, because sometimes it might be your voice recorder itself is cannot use your microphone if your microphone is not allowed. So you can see that there's allowed only has in use apps, and these are the apps I haven't allowed my microphone access. So you can try to manage your microphone access from here. Once I've done, your issue might have been fixed in this app. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a restart with your phone. Just scroll down the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart your phone, and it might fix your issue. But if your issue is still not fixed, so you can try to go ahead to your settings app here. Go to settings, go to general management, go to reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset setting, and click on reset to confirm to reset your setting. It will completely reset your phone setting to default. It will not delete any kind of your data. You can easily try this. After doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to check your microphone if your microphone is physically damaged or not, because sometimes it might be if your microphone is physically damaged, so you might get these type errors. So you have to make sure that your microphone is not damaged. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.